Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So in this video we're going to do this super fun, colorful freckle look. I absolutely love it, and as you guys know, I've kind of mastered the fake freckle technique. So I decided why not do it with color instead. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys like my new hair as well, by the way. If you want to see it when I dyed it, it's my last video. So if you want to see that, I will have it linked up here somewhere and also down below. But yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look and just chat a little, then just keep on watching. First of all, for base, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and I know it's very dry. So before that, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Primer. And if you think that my eyes are very red, or my eyelids, it's because I used a pink eyeshadow there from Sugar Pill, and it stains. It always stains. It's so annoying. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna use that much, and I have a new beauty blender. Oh my god, it's so nice. And I'm just gonna dot away. Can I just ask you guys a quick question? Do you guys like more when I just do these kinds of videos where I still talk to you guys about something, or I don't really talk about a topic, but I just talk like my friend would be here or something like that? I feel like at least I do that. Or do you like me to be more like formal and just tell exactly what I do and then just be quiet? Or do you want me to not talk anything about the products pretty much and just talk about my life? Because I don't really know what you guys like the most. And I don't know what I like the most either. And this foundation is a little bit too pale for me at the moment, but I still really like it. And then for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. I have used this ever since I got it, and I love it so much. Although now I see that I might need a lighter color. This is the shade Snow. Is this the lightest? Maybe it's not. Maybe I should buy a lighter shade. Okay, I have a lot of like small pimples right here, so that is why I use it like all over here. Okay, I'm just gonna use a little bit of the foundation again to try and lighten underneath my eyes. Okay, kinda like that. And now for powder, my favorite Nabla Close Up, and I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender again and push it underneath my eyes and in the T-zone. To contour, I'm gonna use a old favorite. This one I used in makeup school, and it is so good. It is Smog from Makeup Store. I think like every person in Sweden used this to contour for like 2 years. Everybody. I think that I will have to fix these balls later because they are not looking their finest. I was thinking that I would lightly contour, but I guess not. I'm also going to contour my nose, and I'm not really going to care if it's too harsh, just because I'm gonna put so many freckles over top. And now for blush, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Pink Passion, and we are going to go in with, I think, both of these two shades, the more pink ones, and I'm gonna use it obviously where you would usually put it, but I'm gonna use quite a lot because this is maybe not going to be like the first date kind of makeup, but it will be a very fun makeup. And also we are gonna use it on the tip of the nose and on the top lip. Let's use a little blush right here as well. Works perfectly with my stained pink eyelids. Some of you are like, what the hell are you doing, Evelina? But don't you worry, it will be a fun look. So now, on top of this, we're gonna go in with the Dream Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm thinking that we will go in with a mix of Unicorn and Ethereal, sorry. And I'm gonna use my new favorite highlighting brush from Zoeva and the Pixie Glow Kit. Oh, damn, girl. So I'm gonna use it underneath my brow, on my cheekbone, more like underneath my eye right here as well. And of course, nose and Cupid's bow. Should we use, yeah, let's use a little bit right here and on my chin. Also, let's use a little bit right here, and lastly a little bit here. So the base is done, and now it's time for brows, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite product this year. I feel like this is the new 24-hour brow pomades from Kat Von D, and this one is in the shade Magenta. You guys know I've used like pretty much all of these colors. Love them so much. And I'm just gonna use a Zoeva brush, and I'm gonna fill in my brows like normal. And now to the fun part of this tutorial. I hope, at least. I'm not really sure how this will work, but I have 4 velveteens from Lime Crime. This is Flamingo, Teacup, Alien, and Tika. No, wait. Oh, these were so similar. This is Teacup and Peacock. So I thought that I would do just like I normally do with fake freckles. I will put them on my Real Techniques brush, I will wet in it, and then I will just hit it to create dots all over this area, maybe all over my face, I'm not really sure. And I think that I will start off with Peacock. All right, I will wet in the brush, take some of this, put it on the hairs, and then let's see. Ooh, look. Okay, I got a little bit, so it works. Let's wipe it off a little bit and go in with Teacup. Pink. And now lastly for the green. Alright, so this is how it looks now. And I'm thinking I will go in with some of the green and just make the dots a little bit bigger. Also to pink and some of the light blue one as well. Okay, so this is the finished result of the freckles. Now I'm thinking what lip color. I really feel like I want to do a black, or should I do a nude? I have this one right here. This is 430 Sienna Rose Matte from The Body Shop. So let's try this one first before we go in with black if we want that. I actually do really like it. Just to make the lines perfectly, I'm gonna go in with the Nabla Velveteen in a Rosy Magnolia. And I think that this is a great lip liner for this shade. And to finish off this look, I think at least I'm gonna go in with the Lioness Lashes from Rouge and Rogue. And I'm also going to use the Paris Berlin mascara. Then some white eyeliner in my waterline on the bottom. And then I think lastly we're going to go in with the Kat Von D inliner. And I am so excited about this. I'm going to use it to tightline and also on the waterline, but up here. And we're going to see if it sticks there or if it goes everywhere. So this is how it looks. And you should just dot this on your waterline and it should stay there. So let's see. I'm just thinking I want something on my bottom lashes, so I'm thinking I will use one of the NYX Professional Makeup ones. Should I go with this? This is my favorite, so I think I'm gonna go with that. This is the Color Mascara in Pear, I think. Perfect Pear. This mascara is so fun. I love it so much. Alright, you guys, so I think that the look is completed. Woo. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys thought it was fun to watch. And if you would like to recreate this look in any way or just get inspired by it and you post anything online, please tag me so I can see it. I love this. This is so much fun and I think that I will try this out more for an everyday. Maybe with just one color I thought would be really cool, or think would be really cool. So yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go and meet up with a friend actually, so you're welcome Stockholm. You're gonna see this fun face. But yeah, I really hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye!